Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well at home. Students, today we are going to start next topic, method of integration. There are three methods of integration. First is integration by substitution method. Second is integration by parts, and third is integration by partial fraction. So students, today we are going to start first method, that is substitution method. Integration by substitution, a method of evaluating an integral by reducing it to standard form by some suitable substitution. So students, we have to solve this type of question by reducing the given integral into standard form and by suitable substitutions. So let's take the first question of exercise 7.1. So question number 1 is integrate 2x over 1 plus x square dx. We have to substitute this. 1 plus x square is equal to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, it will be 2x is equal to dt over dx. 2x dx is equal to dt. Now putting this value in this, we get dt over t log. You know that so derivative of integration of 1 by t dt is equal to log t. So log t plus c. Now you have to substitute the value of t, log 1 plus x square plus c. So next question number 3, integrating 1 over x plus x log x dx. So take this x common, 1 over x into 1 plus log x into dx. So students, now we have to think what we can do in this question. So you know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So take x common in the next step. So x is common, 1 plus log x. So you can take this term is equal to t. So put 1 plus log x is equal to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, 0 plus 1 by x is equal to dt over dx. So cross multiply 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now substituting this value 1 by x dx is equal to dt, and you know that 1 plus log x is equal to t. So this is same. You know that the integration of 1 by t dt is equal to log t. So log t plus c. Now substituting the value of t here. This is the answer of question number 3. Now next question number 5 is integrating this function sin ax plus b cos ax plus b dx. Now you know that the derivative of sin x is cos x. So you can substitute here sin ax plus b is equal to t cos ax plus b. So that differentiating both with respect to t, both sides, cos ax plus b, applying chain rule here. So derivative of ax is multiplied. Here a is equal to dt over dx. This is very simple. Cos ax plus b dx. A transposing a to right side 1 by a dt. So substituting this value in this t dt over a and taking 1 by a is constant. Outside the integral, integrating t dt, and integration of t, you know that t dt, t square over 2 plus c. Now here substituting the value of t. So you will get 1 by 2a sin square ax plus b plus c. So students, pause the video to note it down. Next student, question number 6. Integrate under root of ax plus b dx. Put ax plus b is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Simply ax is equal to dt over dx and dx is equal to dt over a. So substituting the value of dx here and ax plus b is equal to t. So we will get square root of a dt over a. So take 1 by a common. Outside integral is 1 t raised to power 1 by 2 dt So integrating of t 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 over 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So after solving it, you will get the answer 2 over 3a into ax plus b raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 3. So simple. Next question number 9. Integrating 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. So and you observe that x square, if we put x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 2, then is equal to t, then derivative of x square plus x is equal to 2x plus 1. So take 2 common from 4x plus 2 and take outside 2x plus 1 and square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now put x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t, then differentiating both sides with respect to x, 2x plus 1 is equal to dt over dx. Now it will be 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Now putting this value in this integral to integration of t raised to power 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So integrating this t raised to power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c, and after solving it you will substitute the value of t here. Next question number 12. Integrating x cube minus 1 raised to power 1 by 3 into x raised to power 5 dx. Now we have to do some arrangement like this: x cube minus 1 raised to power 1 by 3, and you can write x5 x cube into x square form into dx. So now you can put x cube minus 1 is equal to t, x cube is equal to, because you need here x cube is equal to t plus 1. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, it will be 3x square is equal to dt over dx, and 3x square dx is equal to dt. X square dx is equal to dt over 3. Now substituting b or value in this integral, t raised to power 1 by 3 into x cube is equal to t plus 1, so t plus 1 here, and x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So dt 1 by 3 is there. So now integrating this function, you know that integrating of t raised to power 4 by 3 is equal to t raised to power 4 by 3 plus 1, it will be 7 by 3, and upon 7 by 3 plus t raised to power 4 by 3 over 4 by 3. Now after solving it, you will get this, and substituting the value of t here, then you will get the answer. So before starting the question number 13, pause the video to note it down. So next student, question number 13. Integrate x square over 2 plus 3x cube raised to power 3 dx. Now put 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So it will be 9x square is equal to dt over dx, 9x square dx is equal to dt, and x square dx is equal to dt over 9. After substituting these values in this integral, we will get 1 over 9 dt over t raised to power 3. So you know that there should be no variable in the denominator. So integrating t raised to power minus 3 dt and solving it, you will get t raised to power minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1, and after substituting the value of t from here, you will get the answer. So next question number 17 is integrating x over e raised to power x square dx. Now we have to substitute that value of which derivative we will get in the numerator. So put x square there. X square, if we put x square is equal to t, then you know that derivative of x square is 2x dx. So where we need x dx. So 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal to dt by 2. So the value of x dx, it will be changed to dt over t. So dt over 2, and ex square e raised to power t. Now solving this, e raised to power minus t dt. So integration of e raised to power t, you know that e raised to power t, e raised to power minus t, and minus outside plus c. Now substituting the value of answer. So very basic questions. So next question number 18 is e raised to power tan inverse x over 1 plus x square dx. So students, before substitution, you have to think what you have to do. As you know that 1 over 1 plus x square dx, it is the derivative of tan inverse x. It is the derivative of tan inverse x. So you can put here tan inverse x is equal to t, and derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square, and derivative of dt with respect to x is dt over dx. So 1 over 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. So after solving this, you will get et dt. So then integration of et is also et plus c. So substituting the value of t, you will get the answer. Next question number 21 is integrating tan square 2x minus 3 dx. So here you have only dx. If you substitute 2x minus 3, so substitute 2x minus 3 is equal to t, 2 is equal to dt over dx, and you will get dx is equal to dt over 2. So here in place of dx, you have dt over 2, and tan square 2x minus 3 is equal to t, tan square t. So you know that there is no integration of tan square t. So 1 by 2 outside the integral, integrating tan square t is equal to, you know that secant square t minus 1 dt. So now integrating secant square t dt, multiply dt inside secant square t dt minus 1 dt. So you know that integration of secant square t dt is tan t minus integration of 1 dt is t. Now substituting the value of t here, you will get the answer. Before starting the next question, pause the video to note it down. Next, students, question number 24. In 24, integrate 2x 2 cos x minus 3 sin x over 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. Now put 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to t, taking 2 common, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to 1 by 2 t. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, it will be minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to dt over 2 dx. Now it will be 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to dt by 2. Now substituting these values in this integral, 1 by 2 dt over t, 1 by 2 log t plus c. Now substituting the value of t, you will get the answer. Next, question number 29, integrating cot x log sin x dx. Put log sin x is equal to t, derivative of log sin x is equal to 1 by sin x, derivative of sin x cos x is equal to dt over dx, cot x dx is equal to dt. Now substituting these values in this integrals, we will get t dt, and it will be t square over 2 plus c log sin x whole square over 2 plus c. Next, question number 32, integrating 1 over 1 plus cot x dx. Integrating 1 over 1 plus cos x over sin x dx. Integrating sin x, solve this, and you will get sin x over sin x plus cos x dx. Now you have to remove the denominator, because there should be no variable in the denominator. So what we can do, dividing and multiplying by 2 here, 1 by 2 into 2 sin x. Now take it as 2 sin x plus sin x 2x cos x minus, you have to rearrange it, and you will get sin x plus cos x minus sin x. So adding and subtracting here cos x, then 1 by 2 sin x plus cos x over sin x plus cos x dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos x minus sin x over sin x plus cos x dx. So 1 by 2 will cancel dx minus 1 by 2 cos x minus sin x over sin x plus cos x dx. So integration of 1 dx dx x by 2 minus I1. Now take it as equation number 1. Now solve this. Take I1 is equal to integration of cos x minus sin x over sin x plus cos x dx. So put sin x plus cos x is equal to t, derivative of this cos x minus sin x is equal to dt over dx. Cos x minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So I1 is equal to cos x minus sin x dt and sin x plus cos x t. It is dt over t. So it will be log t plus c. Substituting the value of log t here, sin x plus cos x plus c. Now put this value in equation number 1 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, take it as condition I. This is equal to I here. I is equal to this. Now you have I is equal to x by 2 minus log of sin x plus cos x plus c. So this is the answer of this question. So for starting the next question, pause the video, note it down. Students, last question of this exercise is question number 39. Integrating 1 over sin square x cos square x dx. Now integrating, you know that here is 1. You can write 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x over sin square x cos square x dx. So separating these sin square x over sin square x into cos square x dx plus cos square x over sin square x cos square x into dx. It will be cancelled. So it will become secant square x dx plus cosecant square x dx. So you know that the integration of secant square x is tan x and integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus c. So students, now you have to solve the given assignments and send it within 3 days. Thank you.